Welcome to Sully's Spanner Time. Today we're going to be fitting the back plate for the carburetor, well, front plate for the air filter and all its components. So let's get started, shall we? First things first, I'm going to do, this is my way of doing it anyway, I'm going to fasten that on there, this on Torx 27 screws. So first of all, we'll put some bit of blue Loctite on these, not much, we will need a dabble on. That's enough for me. I want to just share them on there. Screw these into the back plate. No time being. Just put them out that way. Put them on. Screw these on. That's a T27. And torque these up to manufacturer's specification. And everything on bike, obviously I'll be doing it, but I won't be boring you with torque settings. Obviously if you're doing this you should have a workshop manual to sort it out with anyway. So that's basically that connected to there. In between all these there's washers, so I bought new washers because old ones were cream crackered, so they all go in between to crush it all. So I want one on each side. So I'll have one there to bolt through, another one there, fasten that on, and then one on there like that. So as you can see, 3 washers and it'll crush it all together. So again, a bit of Loctite, not much, just a drabble. I'll put this one on first, just to start it off. And we'll do the same on the other side now. So, get the bolt, bit of Loctite, a washer, don't break the pipe, and then another washer. So that can now be put on there and tightened up. We'll untighten everything first of all, because I want to centralise carburetor. So this is 3/4 of an inch bolts. Can't get in with that, obviously. So we need a Spaniardi. Go find a spanner. So I realised that I've got to torque them up. So obviously I can't put that on first. It's the first time I've ever done one, so we're just learning as we go along. So obviously we can just torque these up now. That's torqued up. Now, hopefully, we can put these back into place and torque those up. These gloves are an hindrance. Just seem to be long in finger. It's a little tad too long. Oh. Whoa. There before. T27. I'll leave them a little bit loose for a minute as well, due to the fact we've got to fit these on to centralise carburettor. We'll put a bit of Loctite on them. And a bit, oh, half a tub on that one. So, and then, that one's in. Yeah. And now, I'll tighten them up. Not with that one. Just nip them a little bit. Now, I'll tighten these up, which are a ½ inch. And now I'll torque them up and I'll get back to you. Well, now we've got that on, it's torqued down, quite solid, everything's solid on it. All these have been torqued. That's been torqued. I just need to torque those up now. So everything's torqued up now. We're going to fit air filter. We'll just line that up. Some hither and there. Right, so it is not. No. There we go. These are with a 4mm X. And you can see it. Got some Loctite on again. Everything on these bikes seems to be Loctite City. More Loctite the better. Obviously a lot of vibration on these bikes. So nip them up. It's flush all the way around. And I just need to torque that up. Now that's that on. And now, the last bit is the actual cover. So, let's put the cover on. I'm going to face, so it's facing grabbing wind. This will be a 5/16 X. We're a bit Loctite on that as well. I just need to torque that one up, so I'll be back in a minute. So now is the cap. So this little cap here, I'm going to put some dielectric grease on this just to keep it nice and fresh and slippy. Want rubber and keep it nice and supple. I don't think it goes through a lot of heat, this. Well, go on there. And that's the lot. That's it done. The only thing we're going to do now is start it up and try it out. So, if you've been watching it, you know we've put a different slow jet in it, so from a 145 to a 145, from a 45 to a 48. So hopefully this will cure a problem that I had before, which were poor acceleration in bottom end, and tick over weren't all that clever, but it has got different cams in it and everything else, so I'm hoping this just adds to its ability to run a bit better. So I think we'll try it actually. Right, let's see if it starts up anyway to start with. Get the arm off. Couple of revs, run. Well, I'm happy with that, how that started, that's good. Right, thanks for watching, catch you up next time.